So in this video we're going to be upgrading this computer to a new video card. The new video card is the 95, I think it's the 9800 actually, Geforce 9 series 9800 card, video card, and it's got its own processor, it's got its own fan, it's got a PCI Express connection. So let's install it. First thing we got to do is grab our screwdriver and unscrew the screws on our panel here. Now every computer is going to be different. You might have a different panel than I do here. Just try to figure it out. Just try to open it. Mine slides out like that. Yours might go like this. They're all different. So make sure you figure it out. So in here, you got to look at your motherboard. If you notice, we got PCI connection there. We got another PCI connection with a card on there. That's a network card. Network card. Now the bluish green thing here is a PCI Express connection. Perfect. Our card is PCI Express. That's where it goes. So we'll go ahead and grab our card. And if you notice, it's got this little thing here. That's gonna attach to there. That's gonna hold it in place. Okay. Very important. So what you do is you slide it in on the correct slit here. That's what I'm doing. Slide it in. Make sure you slide it in, and then make sure you slide it in. Make sure you put it straight on the. Make sure you put it straight on the connection there. It's kind of hard to do it with a camera on the other hand. Just bear with me here, please. There we go. It's connected. Now all we do is push down, and there we go. Now the next thing to do is going to be to connect. Oh, not connect, but to screw this on right here. Here's our screw. I just dropped it. It's alright, I'll pick it up. Come with me here. Alright, here we go. So let's put it on here. Get my screwdriver. Tighten it just a little bit. And then align this right. And then tighten it all the way. And that's it. That's simple. That's how you install a video card. Well, actually, that's the first step. After you install it, you're going to have to go online. Go to Nvidia.com for this video card. If you have an ATI, it's ATI.com. Or just Google it. Go to Google and type in the model number of your video card or whatever it is, and look for the driver. After you install it physically, you need to install the software driver for it, for your computer to be able to recognize it. Okay. And one more thing that we need to install on this thing, that this case, it's just an extra thing. Your case might not have this, but our thermometer, I like to put a thermometer in here to see how hot my video card is getting. And there we go. Now we're gonna turn this baby on, and we're gonna look at our thermometer. And we're gonna turn it on so you can see the fan, thermometer, and everything. My fan, I mean my case has a thermometer on it. Yours might not have one, but just for show, we're gonna show it here. And there it is. The fan turned on. Everything looks good. That's thermometer on the bottom, I believe. There we go. 10 degrees Celsius. Actually, I bought this case from eBay. So if you're interested in getting a case like this, go on eBay, man. They have some nice cases on eBay. So there we go. Next thing to install the driver, just go to Nvidia and download the driver, install it, and you're good to go. And that's how you upgrade a video card. Hope this has been really helpful for you, and have a good day.